Start. Sir, the Whistleblowers Bill is another major step in this direction. Stop. It will enable people to bring to the notice of the public wrongdoings being committed by the public servants. Stop. The Judicial Standards and Accountability Bill, which has been introduced in Parliament, is a major step to make the functioning of the judiciary more accountable and more transparent. Stop. As the Honorable President has specifically mentioned women in her address, I would like to draw the attention towards the gender budget statement, which does not actually give specific data about women. Stop. In the gender budget statements of previous years, less allocations of funds were made for women specific programs. Stop. That is extremely unfair. Stop. I hope that this year in the gender budget, every ministry would increase their allocations for women. Stop. More allocation of funds should be made to the states to build infrastructure to implement the Prevention of Domestic Violence Act. Stop. Similarly, funds should be allotted to constitute a high level committee to conduct national task force should be set up for relief and rehabilitation for women in riot hit or terrorism hit areas. Stop. The issue is misuse is discretionary powers by those in authority, and the worrying thing is that the president of a national opposition party says that it may be morally wrong, but it is not legally wrong, and this attitude shows their double standard. Stop. Today, India stands at the crossroads of nation building because of our demographic dividend, economic opportunities, global trade, currents, opportunities thrown up by decline of economies in the West, and in the next 15 to 20 years we can hope that India can become a fully developed major superpower. Stop. If we lose this chance, history will not forgive us, and future generations will criticize us for our failures. Stop. Sir, I am deeply disappointed with the address prepared by this government and delivered by the President. Stop. I have serious doubts about the propriety as also the integrity of this government. Stop. There seems to be a trust deficit between the party in power and the government in power. Stop. Why was the head of the government remained silent for 3 years when this was happening right under his nose? Question mark. All you have to do is to distance yourself from the appointment of the gentleman as the minister. Stop. You distance yourself from the policy formulation. Stop.